Walang magawa. Online shopping tayo. Char. I have shopped online in IKEA. What I like most about IKEA is that they do have this sleek, minimalist style of products, which is also in affordable price and with high quality. Since we are not allowed to travel interstate, so I tried to do online shopping. Walang magawa. Online shopping tayo. Char. I downloaded their app and started to browse the items that we need in our kitchen. I'm quite impressed how fast it was delivered despite of the lockdown. It just took 1 week, around 1 week to arrive here in Ipoh. And the packaging is great. You can see it's really having this sticker of fragile. Without further ado, let's start to open this box. As if it does have a lot of things inside. Okay, let's start.
The delivery charge is just 10 ringgit. And tracking of the parcel is so convenient at Tracking Malaysia site.
Wow! The packaging is so good. Oh, they do have this to fill it up the spaces. So you don't have to worry if you're gonna buy like plates and all of those fragile items. So, first item that I bought is this is just a plastic. Actually, we really need this for those foods that we put in our fridge. The size of this one is, I think, oh, it's really big. So it's 4.5 liter and 6 liter. In one box, it does have 2 sizes of plastic. So I think this is a smaller plastic than the first one, but it's still big. So this is one item that I bought, and the others are plates. Okay, look at this. It's just a simple plate. It just costs around, I think, just 2 ringgit, something like that. So one of it is just 2 ringgit or 1 ringgit. It's really affordable, and it really looks like Corel, those kind of brands. It really looks like that, but it's just so cheap. Another plate. Another set of this. It's another 2 sets. So I have bought 4 also for this size. So the difference with this one is just a bigger plate than this, and this one is deeper plate. And the last but not the least that I bought is this. Okay. Ta-da! See that? Looks like, you see that? It's just so simple. Comes fun. Look at that. Isn't it nice? So, haven't you come? I heard that the Philippines would have this in Manila soon, but I hope the tax will not be so high, so the price will still be affordable. Okay, so that's it, guys. These are the things